Hey, 24/7 Davis here. It's National Chicken Curry Day, and we're out, me and Candy, trying to find some curry, and hopefully they have some at this place here, the Tea Station. Let's go. So we're at the Tea Station here, and I'm trying to find out if they have some chicken curry for National Chicken Curry Day 2019.
He found the chicken curry.
So we're at the tea house here. We found some chicken curry for National Chicken Curry Day 2019. 24/7 Days. So we got our chicken curry. So I'm a little upset here. Just came from Tea Station, and I thought I said I wanted a chicken curry, but apparently they heard chicken katsu. So I don't have chicken curry. I have chicken katsu and rice. It looks good, but it's not chicken curry. So what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna have to try to make some curry right quick. So here I go. 24/7 Davis, National Chicken Curry Day 2019. It's like 11:30 right now. I don't know why he's still up. Everybody's up. I don't understand. So right now I'm gonna pour a little bit of coconut milk inside this curry to make it like a Thai curry. It's not as tasty. It's in the refrigerator, so that's why it smells good. Hope it tastes good. Right now I'm gonna add about a cup of water. I think it's coming together. It looks, yeah, I think it's coming together. It looks like curry sauce. To me anyway. So now I'm gonna add some chicken from the katsu, not the chicken curry that I got. See how that taste comes out. So it'll be a chicken katsu curry. Let that simmer for a bit. Then we shall eat, or I shall eat. Yeah, it'll just be me. I'll eat. And that's it. Added the chicken. Now we're gonna simmer it, and we're gonna eat it. National Chicken Curry Day, 2019, 24/7 Davis. This is what happens when you don't check your food before you leave the restaurant. You get chicken katsu instead of chicken curry. So I just made some curry and added the chicken katsu in it. So now I have, so let's try it and See how it came out? Okay, all on my phone. Got it all on my phone. A little spicy. Woo. Even with that coconut milk, it still tastes more like an Indian curry. Me personally, I like Thai curry. And no rice. Not trying to not eat no rice. It's decent. It's all right. It's all right. You know, I made something into nothing. It'll work. It'll do. It'll do. I'm mad at y'all though, Tea House, Tea Station. I'm mad at y'all, man. Chicken curry, chicken katsu. They don't sound the same. Pretty good though. You did your job. So, yeah, it's good. Got a nice little kick. Spice. Pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. It's pretty good. That is good. That's good. So we made it. Chicken Curry Day, 2019. 24/7 Davis. We did it. We made it. Until we eat again.